Residents of LONGMAI Part 1 in None district are reeling under severe hardship due to landslides and land subsidence that have wreaked havoc. For over a month, they have been taking shelter in relief camps while experts assess the situation. Although the None district administration has provided essential commodities, the affected families have yet to receive additional aid from the government. They have appealed to the state government for urgent intervention and further assistance to support their recovery.
None sida soiba natural calamity no yum chakhaiba punmak asidigi yum da laiba yadaduna akoi ge quarter sida relief camp laiba si tikha ma phajila dubo government da akoi ge higher authority sing da akoi na haiba haigado ba akoi na akoi ge grievances mayam ji hai grabani dubo ngasi phau si government na respond pirak taba aduga hoi mai si hojik ti fit toba haure dubu toilet chinungai te hojik phau ngasi phau da toilet si semba laktri aduna akoi ge district ke administration singna kari taurakadra natra government na kari taurakadra haibdo akoi ngai du lairi dubu akoi ge awab di noma ge henjilai yum da laiba phau da akoi chu wan laibani adubu relief camp da laibani na yum da laiba digi henna wa ba akoi mayok nei aduna akoi ge higher authority singnam pungning changbi dura akoi ge wa ba se ko hanbio hai ba se request tok jabani